everybody, welcome back to Shanice Shopping Saga. On our way into Aldi. Let's see what they have. Alright, we made it. It's looking all nice and clean. Alright, let's start off over here. Oh, these are so cute. I want to look at these. Candy hearts, my sweet Valentine. It's a bowl. And then the bead. These are $5. Let's see, let's set this right here. Uh-oh. There's this one. Be my Valentine, the cupcake. Be mine with the rolling pin. And that one. Here's the gnome, hugs and kisses, Valentine wishes. The plate. And that. And then here's this one. All you need is love, the flower, the pot, and a little love note. All right, and right here, these are $5. Love Struck, 125 matches. Oh, it's just pink matches in the jar. That's cute. Oh, and there's some with the colors on it. And there's white and red. Sorry, I'm trying to get them out. They're kind of tight in there. It's love. And then the pink ones are Love Struck. Oh, they actually have some too with black. Black and pink. Let's see. I'm looking, I can see it through my through the camera. Hugs and kisses. Okay. And those are $5. This garland is $5. Sweet smile with the colors. It's the felt one right here. With the hearts. Pink. Be mine. And the light pink, the pearls. All right. And these are $10. The trees, Valentine Day glitter trees. So what's the glitter? Those and these. These are $4.50. Strawberry kisses. I'm trying to get it open so I can smell it. You know what? I'll smell it. Let's see. That smells really good. Strawberry kisses. There's no body like you. Kiss me, be mine. You're perfect. Love you. Hot. This one is apple, tropical fruit, lychee. Scented candle. Let's see. This one is strawberry, mandarin, spun sugar. And this one is maraschino, cherry, strawberry, cinnamon. Oh, my cherry. Oh, my cherry. Is it only 3? Looks like it's only 3 of them. Surprised Aldi stuff usually comes in 4s. Okay. Kirk's House vinyl tablecloth. There's this one with the dogs. This one with the strawberries and the jam. Hearts, X's and O's. Hugs and kisses. This one has hearts, cutie pie, kiss me, hugs. Alright, that looks like all of the designs in that. These blankets are $8. Be mine. these pillows are 10. There's Love. Let's set this right here. Like so. I can guess this one. It is so quiet in here. I have this store all to myself. You know, this is the, well, y'all might not know, but this is the newer location in Plainville. If you're in Connecticut, it is so quiet. In Southington, they probably would have been bomb guarding me by now from rushing me. It's literally one of each of all of these pillows. Okay. All right, and these are 17. Faux floral wreath. And this one. And this one is shaped like a heart. Some bowl fillers. These are 5. It's that one and this one. This one. And the light pink. And these Valentine mugs, these are 10. There's a clear and a pink shade. I think they're all like in the boxes. You can't see them. Yeah, okay. Valentine Crofton Day mugs. And the mitten sets. These are 4. There's that print, the strawberries and jam. Pretty much looks like the prints that they have on the tablecloths. Dogs. Oh, look at that jam. And then look at these. These are $7. Welcome home. What's this one? Welcome. Uh-oh. Took a flower out. And these are $4.50. Uh-oh, I'm trying to pick it up. These are $2. Happy Valentine's Day. Growing love and kindness. I love you so much. We're written in the stars. That one, to my love. This Valentine's Day is just as sweet as you. Okay, and then here's some of the toys. These are $4. Oh, is this one? Her, she has a heart. Cute little bone. This one. Strawberry covered, chocolate covered strawberries. And these are $40. It's gold and the black. These are $15. Valentine Day sweaters. like that one. With the hearts, lavender, vanilla, eucalyptus, and cucumber lemonade, 10-ounce glass re-diffusers. Those are $7. These are $7. Vases. So all the different styles. And then here's some scents. There's fresh lemon, vanilla and salted caramel, white almond, and English garden. These are $10. Oh. Those are cute. These are $18. Sherpa gauze throw. This is blue color, purple, and that cream white. Let's see, these are $4. Casalux lights, 4-pack LED dimmable light bulbs. These are $15. Plastic wax foil. These are $20. Man, I think, okay, so it's blue, that color, and a gray. These are $70. Soul furniture accent cabinet, and this one is $50. I feel like I passed by the mirror so fast. These are $10. It's also in that white color. These are $10. The foot rests. They don't have the prices on the garbage cans yet. The step stools are $7. Under shelf basket. These are $9. I'm seeing gray, the black, corner shelf, helper shelf, are pot and pan organizers. These are $5. This is $13. These are $8. It's the Lazy Susan, or the bucket, or this one. It's open halfway. The bins are those. These are $10. Magnetic bamboo knife dock. Or the cork knife holder. And these are $15. The electric heaters are $30. Ceramic heater with fan. The sticky for under the rugs, that's $5. These are $5. The planners. Shopping cart, grocery list. Other fruits. I'm happy we got all of those. Didn't have to do too much digging. The palm olive is $8. The swivel is $8.47. $5.98. These are $4. Flex tray organizers. The waistband, that's $10. And this stuff is going into what they had last week. Yeah. I have to double back to this one. This is on wheels for $13. just have some chocolates over here, $1.35. The sweethearts are $3.29. The pretzels are $6.97, $4.60, $6.65 for the roll-ups. These are $5.97. The Sour Patch Kids, $5.97. The Russell Stovers are $10. Chocors, $5. These are $3.69. Chocolate assortments. Hot cocoa bombs are $2. Strawberries and cream bark, $4. These are $5. This one or this one. There's raspberry truffles or strawberry truffles for $3. These are $4.50. Assorted Belgium chocolates. The waters. Okay, we made it to the freezer. These are $3.79. No sugar added. Gelato ice cream. I see fudge cookie. Cookies and cream. And what's this one? Chocolate peanut butter. Some toasted ravioli. 4 cheeses. Aldi original beef. $4.29. Flaming Cajun shrimp dumplings. $6.50. Crunchy California veggie burgers. Or crunchy barbecue sweet potato veggie burgers. Those are $3. Some turkey burgers for $9. Garlic butter shrimp or shrimp Alfredo pasta bowls, $3.79. These are $3.19. I had to double back to these, so it's also this one, this shape one too right here. Let's see if I can find it back here. Okay, too much digging, but they also have this one. And then the mirror also comes in like the beaded finish. I went back to take the pictures when I see that one. And right by the waistband, which comes in the white, the gray, the black, there's a toilet brush that comes in the same colors. Those are $10. But that's going to be it, y'all. Bounce back over here. That's going to be it for us in Aldi today. Thank you guys so much for clicking on this video and browsing around with me. I hope y'all enjoyed this just as much as I did. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.